Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Guys, the South African have been given a deadline, 31st July. Lonke i-South African elise-Nigeria fanele liphume liphele. My beautiful South Africans, uphu wandi nabangani bakhe, noma ngabe udokotela, noma ngabe uyipilot, noma ngabe ugoalkeeper, noma ngabe wenzani eNigeria, qoqa impahla zakho uhambe. Ungabheki emuva, qoqa impahla zakho ungene ebhanoyini ubuye. Ngoba labantu bazokhiphela ienga yabo kuwena. Bazokhiphela ienga yabo kuwena. So mtaka ma, noma ngabe usebenze embassy, uma uzazi nje ukuthi you are a South African and use Nigeria, run for your life. Run for your life. Buya. Buya sithando sami. Buya. Imali ayisho lutho. You can start over nanoma inini. Buya sithando sami. Cause manje bukani lento. Omakhelwane bethu ne. iMalawi, iMozambique, iZimbabwe ne. Sithe abahambe. Benze njani? Baqoqa impahla zabo bahambe. Bahamba. Angithi niyababona basemakubo. Bashonga ukuthi nathi singaphinde size ngama countries abo. Niyazi ukuthi ngubani? Bayazazi ukuthi ubonile. Bayazazi ukuthi babe wrong. Bayazazi ukuthi akubona babulala icountry yethu. Bayazazi ukuthi uma sesi right sizobabiza futhi. Bayayazi indima yabo abayidlalayo in this country. Bayazi ukuthi kunaleso space thina lesi singeke size sisivale, bona bakwazi ukufika ukuthi basivale. You understand? Bese expect ukuthi abantu abafana noZimbabwe balwe. Bathi ngene isixoshe kanjena, thina siboost economy in this country. Cha, bayenzanga leyo nto. Bathelwa phe bahamba. Ekubeni ayikho akekho umakhelwane wethu obooster economy yethu njengeZimbabwe. Bastoka la. Sesikhuluma nge-informal trading. Angisafuni ukukhuluma ngalezi zabantu abadala oRamaphosa. Ngikhuluma ngalesi ibonayo. Bastoka la. Banamashop ekhaya. Bastoka la izinto zama-tuck shop. Ifurniture bayithenga la. Into zokwakha bazithenga la. Ngihleze phela ngibuka omalayisha betatazela. Every week kuyatatazelwa bastoka la. Bona imali yabo bayisebenza la, bayispende la. Laba benza imali yabo la, abathengi lutho la, bayipose ekhaya imali. Niyabona ukuthi laba abanye bayasilutha. Omakhelwane bethu basebenza la, benza imali la, imali yabo bayispenda la. Ibona baboost economy yethu. Laba abanye vele bekufanele nokuthi bengafanele nokuthi baze beze ba, because akwenze sense ukuthi ungeqa ama countries awu5 uzobe refugee la ema country nawu5. If unenkinga uya kwi-nearest country yakho. Bani umakhelwane bo Nigeria, Benin. Abayingane eBenin ngoba makhelwane wabo. Why beqa ama countries awu5 beze la? Thiwa ubalekela ezweni lomakhelwane wakho. Asibona thina umakhelwane wabo. Bengafanele vele beze la. Yazi uthini emnandi? iEurope iyabuka. America iyabuka. Uyabona ama blogger ne nama journalist. Angangayibeka kahle indaba ama-journalist athi it's just a xenophobic, but ama-blogger ayibeka njengoba injalo. Ayabuza ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi uma usuhleli kwi-country yomuntu kuthiwa hamba ngoba unawo amaphepha ulwe? Niyababona ukuthi barongi laba, barongi. Engabe bayazehlisa, sonile, sihlele ngokungemthetho, ithina esibulala i-country kwashe kwacima kanjani? Ne, yazi benze njani? Ba-declare war. Kunalokho, nabo sebethi abantu abasebenza, akho South African elifike likhamise eNigeria. Bayasebenza eNigeria, ngisho nalabo abaqwayizayo eNigeria banamaphepha kodwa. Banamaphepha nabo. Nabo mabengenawo badipotheni kusasa ekuseni, badipotheni kusasa ekuseni. Ngoba basuka la bayoganga lapha ngithi. Basuka la bayoganga lapha badipotheni. Makukhona iSouth Africans, guys, makukhona iSouth African elikhona kwi-country yakhe lenza into ebhedayo lidipothe. Nathi sofike silibhaxe la. Uhamba usihlaza. Sofike simshaye nathi la ukuthi uhamba isihlaza simcebule ngemvubu lapha e-airport. Ukuthi uhamba isihlaza koZambia. Laba ngeke baphinde bayibone iEurope. Bheka. Phephetha la. Yabo njengoba iEurope isupporta thina. Iyabuka leya video le, yarawunda manje seyindabeni ukuthi bathini. Iyabona ukuthi laba bafuna ukusolwa. Laba uma be-wrong abakwazi ukuzehlisa, abafuni ukusolwa. Yabo nje iEurope manje inama list yama-countries. Phela njengoba kuloke kuphume indabeni ukuthi asehambe amalawo 17,000, ahambile amaMalawians 2,000, ahambile amaZambians amangaka, ahambile amaMozambicans. You understand? Bayabona ukuthi okay, kulama countries laba. Naba abantu abane respect, naba abantu abakwaziyo ukuzehlisa if be wrong. Laba bogcina ngokudlala iAfcon. Laba ibona bakhohlakele, ba arrogant benjalo nje. Ibona abajaha ukuthi borderless Africa. Fanele sitrain lezingane zethu ukuthi akho borderless Africa. Asiyitrain lezingane ezisancane kuthi mhla kuthiwa borderless Africa balwe so bese sashona lezi zingane zilwe. Mawuya lapha koYuvele ibona laba ba hijack izindlu. Ibona ba hijack izindlu koYuvele. Hijack ama-flats, ba hijack izindlu. Yabona nje lapha entabeni. Monyuka ushona le. Kunomuzi nje omkhulu oyistezi ohleze uphuma iqhulu labantu, mhlawumbe abantu aba-100. Ibona laba. Ithini esinezingane ezamazombi ngenxa yabo. Ibona abadayisa upowder. Namhlanje size sathatha isinqumo sokuthi kuhambe wonke umuntu. Nesaziyo ukuthi akubona bagangayo, but sithe sesiklina kwasani ngenxa yabo. Kodwa kubhlungu ibona basele futhi bona bangahambi. Awabuyeke ama-South Africans lapha. Awabuye ama-South Africans. If kuwukuthi ama-South Africans njengobe lapha ya ikona okwenza ukuthi bahambe bentanta beze la, awabuye. Kufana nalento elokishiwe kuthiwa kuzoyeka ukubhuka ama-artist. Thina ngeke size silahlekelwe i-country ngenxa ye-artist. Angikhathali noma ngabe ubani. Khathali noma ngabe ubani manifuna ukukhansela i-artist, ikhanselani i-artist. Ngeke thina i-future yezingane zethu ilahleke ngoba nakho sithi thina sincengeni, sincenga ukubhukhelwa ama-artist ethu. Thina silando Chris Brown la, silando Tamia la, silando Mary J Blige la every year. That does not give us a right ukuthi siyohlala eAmerica without proper documents. Uma sekuthiwa eAmerica siyaxoshwa, asisho futhi ukuthi ngeke sisambhuku Chris Brown, kanti suke simbhukhela ukuthi khona soyokohlala kwi-country yakhe yini. Suke simbhukhela i-entertainment. Nina ke futhi angazi nibhukhana nama-South African artist nixakwe yini ningenawo ngisho ubugwaqo. Engabe nithatha leyo mali nenza i-tie road. Nithatha leyo mali nithenga amanzi, niba namanzi aclean, niba nogesi, niphila impilo engcono. nibhizi nibhukhana nama-South African artist for ini. For ini lazophinde nisinxikiselele ngawo futhi. Niwabhukhelani vele? Ngey'mali zokugcina. Niyaganga nina.
I feel like at this point, as a people, as human beings, we are just tired. And yes, I second those women to say, all those South Africans that are in Nigeria, can you please just leave? Can you please just leave, Jay, and come back? Because, hey, guys, we're tired. A lot of things have been happening, especially between African countries, with these illegal immigrants, Mabahambe, and I feel like all those other African countries are now copying what South Africa is doing, saying Mabahambe, they must leave, all foreigners must go, and which is just something else. It is just something else. I would also say the very same thing, please come back home. Just come back home to avoid unnecessary things happening to you, because we really don't know at this point what will go down, what will happen to you. Like we have no idea. Just come back. Unfortunately, at this point, South Africans have been given a deadline, 31st of July. Every South African in Nigeria have to be out of Nigeria, which is just yes, in there. Black Africans, how did we even get here? Because no, man, no, this is not normal. How did we get here? Because I saw even Uganda has stood up. Some other countries as well have stood up to say, no, Mabahambe, you must go back home. And trust and believe me when I say South Africans are there, even though it seems like Nigeria is bad, wada. But there are South Africans there. There are South African businesses right there in Nigeria, which is just something else. I feel like they must just come back home, man. They must just come back home while the time is still there. We don't want to hear any chaos or anything happening.